Social engineering is the most dangerous kind of hacking because the target is not your computer, it is your mind, and most people never see it coming. When people hear the word hacking, they think of code, computers, green text running fast on a screen. But the most common kind of hack has nothing to do with computers. It has everything to do with human beings. It is called social engineering, and it works by attacking what you don't know. Let me put it in simple terms. If someone wants to hack your phone or computer, they need tools. If someone wants to hack your mind, all they need is trust. That is why scammers love this method. It is cheap, it is easy, and it works on millions of people every single day. Imagine someone messages you today and says they are from your bank, or from your workplace, or from a delivery company. They sound polite, they use the right terms, they talk in a way that feels official. But here is the question: how can they convince you? The answer is simple: by using something you already trust. If you don't know that real companies will never ask you for your password, if you don't know that real support teams don't need your OTP, if you don't know that your workplace will never ask for sensitive data on WhatsApp, then you can be tricked. Not because you are careless, but because you were never taught the rules. Social engineering works because humans want to believe each other. Humans want to feel safe. Humans want to help. Hackers use that against you. Every scammer has one goal: to make you trust them long enough to give them something valuable. It could be your login, your OTP, your company secrets, your money, or your identity. They do it by copying real names, real emails, real websites, real voices, real company formats. That is why I always say this: old knowledge is one of the biggest weaknesses. If you learned security rules 5 years ago, they are outdated today. Just like outdated software, old methods don't protect you anymore. Scammers keep changing. They use fear. They use urgency. They use confidence. They use fake authority. Some act like customer support. Some act like your boss. Some act like your family. Some act like someone you feel you can trust instantly. But there is one thing you can always use to fight them: zero trust security. Zero trust means don't trust anything until you confirm it with your own eyes. Zero trust means don't trust a message because it looks official. Zero trust means don't trust a link because it looks like your bank. Confirm the person. Confirm the request. Confirm the source. If someone says they are from your company, call the official number and ask. If your bank messages you, use the mobile app to check. If anyone asks for information, ask yourself, would this person ask this in real life? Would the real company ever need this? Does this request make sense? Zero trust is not being paranoid, it is being smart in a world where manipulation is normal. Social engineering is powerful because it tricks the human heart. But once you learn how it works, you become stronger than their lies. If you want more simple explanations like this, like, share, and subscribe to Hack Only Evil. Let's help more people stay safe online.